Hey my beauty family, this is Valya, and in this video I will show you this look I'm wearing with it a beautiful, warm, purple lips, warm undertone eyes color with a very nice soft glam look, wearable for the most of you, for I think all skin types and colors, wearable, everyday look, quick look, nice look. So my friend, if you wanna know how this video goes down, carry on watching and let's get right into it. I have filled in my brows as usual with my lovely by Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Defining Pencil in the shade medium brown, and this is it, a very thin pencil which helps me to define my brows very nicely and well and quick, and from the other side is its pulling. Then I have sculpted them up with my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 20 on the underbrow area, and on the upper brow area I have sculpted them up with my L'Oreal Infallible 32 Hours Fresh Wear. And now I'm going to prepare with my Fit Me Maybelline and this big fluffy brush my lid before I wear my shadows. My lids are ready and I'm ready to prepare to wear my shadows. In this video, my friends, I will do for you a very quick and easy soft glam look. So, I will use only my bronzer by MUA Bronze Perfection, and this is it, very nice bronzer which has 6, 7 shades of brown. I'm gonna take this fluffy big brush and taking all of them and applying almost on all the lid. It is very easy for you what I'm doing today because I wanted to show you a soft glam look to wear everywhere. And applying, excuse me, on all the crease and a little on the outer corner and on the inner corner. Very beautiful, this brown, soft bronzer. I'm gonna do the same to my other eye with circular motion from the inner part of the lid to the outer part. Beautiful, easy to wear, soft glam look for every day. Then I'm taking my mini palette by Davico Cosmetics Infallible Highlighter and my Cosmo Fan number 110, as you see, a very flat brush, and I will take this on the upper edge champagne highlighter and I will apply it in the middle of the lid. Just a few of that, only in the middle. And on the other eye, I think for you it's gonna take you 7-8 minutes, under 10, I'm sure, but I will do some more today because I'm explaining to you what you have to do. Very easy, very wearable, soft warm colors you can wear everywhere. And then I will take with my eyebrow 103 this, which is on the other part. This is a deepest brown highlighter which I'm gonna use to do a little my outer and inner corner. I will use that as a shadow. On the outer corner apply some and some on the inner corner, of course. And on the other eye, some on the outer corner to connect all these together. Some more in the middle, we need that. Where is it? And taking my Tommy T blending brush to connect all the shades and shadows together to do a good blending. Now I'm going to apply on my underbrow area the same highlighter, this champagne, just a few of that. On my underbrow area, a few of that. We don't need much. I will take, I don't know, to wear an eyeliner or leave it like it is. What to do? I'm gonna wear a soft brown eyeliner by Tommy G, Precision Eyeliner Chocolate Brown, and this is it because I want to do some soft look for today. I could use either brown or black and black, but I want something more soft for today, so I will use the chocolate brown eyeliner. And now I'm going to do my lashes. My eyes are ready, my eyeliner, you see, it's very nice, very soft, chocolate brown look. It is a look and wintry and soft and everyday and very warm, not cool tone, warm look that the most people can wear in every day. I'm taking my lash curler and doing some to curl my lashes up. You can leave it with only your mascara, but I do wear false lashes, as I always do. This is my opinion. You can wear only your mascara. I'm going to show you the lashes I'm gonna wear today. They are soft lashes, they are not very long, not very hard, deep, thick. Soft lashes. Show you in a minute. So I can wear. Either you can wear them your look without lash, only your natural. These are the lashes I'm gonna use for today. As you see, they are thin, a little long. They're wearable lash for all the day. I'm going to wear them. And coming back, just a moment to show you my mascara before I wear my false lashes. It's Vortex by Monrive. This is a very nice brand. I'm applying mascara only on the upper lashes. Very nice brand, Monrive, that I discovered lately, and it is so affordable because, as you have seen, I like affordable makeup. I'm wearing my mascara, as you see, and I'm going immediately off camera to wear my false lashes and coming back. My lashes are ready, so I'm going to prepare the rest of the face. Continue. MUA Pro-Based Oil-Free Primer, Hydrating Primer. I have done the whole skincare before I started the whole makeup I'm doing now. It is necessary for us. I have done my eye cream, my day cream, my serums, all. After my primer, I insist on you to wear primer before you do wear your makeup. It is gonna do your foundation to apply, to blend easily and nicely. So it is needed to apply primer before. Because some persons ask me sometimes if it's necessary or not. Yes, I think it's necessary for you. So you can apply the whole foundation very easily and very well blending. In this video, I will use in this look my L'Oreal Infallible 32 wears hours fresh wear, and this is it. I wear it in the shade 220 Sable Sand. I'll do some pump on my hand, taking my Real Techniques 200, and I will start to apply the product on the whole face, and then I will continue to apply with my beauty blender. This is, of course, my opinion, but I have to say to you that this is the right way, so you can apply your foundation and you can blend it very, very nice. After that, going to wear my NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum. Taking it, because it has a pump, with my middle finger, apply some on the inner and outer corner of the eye, some dots on the nose, some on the mustache area, on the chin, and near the mouth. and taking my beauty blender to apply very good the product. Taking my loose powder to set up my under eye. Of course you can use the brush. To set up your under eye area, you have only to use loose powder, not compact. Compact powders are for the whole face, and some more quantity to apply and in the whole face. Everywhere, setting up with loose powder. Then I will set up and with my compact. But I start with the loose powder. And on the neck, of course, everywhere. Taking my L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hours Fresh Wear Foundation and Powder, compact, my eyebrow level, and starting just to apply on the whole face, and of course on ears and on the neck. What else? Continue with contouring. Wet n Wild contouring palette, caramel toffee, eyebrow level, under the cheeks, on the forehead, on the jawline, and some contouring with this type of brush on the nose. I will do some baking just for a few minutes under my eye and near the nose, on the chin, to define the under contouring area, of course, for 2 minutes, not more, and some product on the chin. You can avoid that step if you don't like bake, but I have to show you how bake is doing. Many loose powder on my t-shirt, just a few coffee while I work. Taking again this brush and correcting the contouring of the nose because we have done so much powder. Taking bronzer after contouring, MUA Bronze Perfection, the same brush by eyebrow level, over the other, and on the chin, of course. Blush, Scanlon blusher, very nice with highlighter, blush, orange color. Peach. Let's take off the excess of the powder. Of course, we don't need to leave it much more time. Just 1-2 minutes, the most 3, and it's enough, I have to say. Blend in a few all the blush contouring to have a perfect, nice result, because we want something soft. One of the last steps on the face is, highlighter. I will use the same highlighter that I use on my eyes. This is it. And this Cosmofan number 207. This very nice, my new brush. Taking this black, this highlighter, and apply some on the cheeks. Don't need much. And some on the nose. On the temples, of course. And on the cupid bow. What else? Now I have to end with my under eye area. And I will apply only my bronzer on the under eye area. I apply my bronzer. On the inner part of the lid, I will apply some highlighter. And of course, if you want, do it. If you don't want, don't do it. Let's see if you can do it. This pencil. I'm taking a brown pencil by VALYA'S Cosmetics to do my waterline. Of course, my Vortex mascara only on the bottom lashes. One coat, you don't need much of that. And of course, continuing with the lips. On this look I will wear my Sandy Beauty lip liner, which is a very nice purple, like this. And wearing of course my lipstick by Cyan Nude Mauve number 15, which is a very nice nude mauve, like it says. And the last step, as we always do, fixing spray Fiore Vita. Well, my friends, this is the complete finished look. As you see, it is easy look, wearable look, quick look, soft glam look, warm look. All these are for you tips to have a perfect, easy, wearable for everyday look. So my friends, this is my recommendation for you for today. If you like that video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't and ring the notification bell, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Love you friends!